Chapter 5. More about the keyboard. In this lesson, we will learn about what is a keyboard, various keys on the keyboard, functions of different keys. Jack, now we know how to start and shut down a computer. Let us now discuss about the keyboard in detail. Jack: yes, let us see what Bongo is saying. Bongo: keyboard is an input device of the computer. It consists of a number of keys. Keys are used to type letters, numbers, and symbols. When a key is pressed, the corresponding character appears on the computer screen at the cursor's position. The vertical line on the monitor screen is called cursor. Alphabet keys. The keys marked with letters of English alphabet A to Z are alphabet keys. These keys are not arranged in any alphabetical order. They are in a jumbled order in 3 rows. We press these keys to type letters, words, and sentences. Number keys. The keys that are marked with numbers from 0 to 9 are called number keys. They are 10 in number. By pressing these keys, you can type numbers. They are placed at the top of the alphabet keys. Number keys. These keys have some other symbols also on them, like asterisk, and, caret, percentage, and dollar, etc. These symbols can be typed with the help of the Shift key. You will learn about it later in the chapter. The number keys are also present in the numeric keypad, which is on the right side of the keyboard. The number lock key is pressed to on or off the numeric keypad. Special keys. Apart from the alphabet keys and number keys, there are some other keys on the keyboard, like Spacebar key, Enter key, Backspace key, Delete key, Arrow keys, Caps Lock key, Shift key, symbol keys, etc. Let us know the use of these keys. Spacebar key. Spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give spaces between the words or characters. The spacebar key is placed in the last row of the keyboard. Function keys. They are marked from F1 to F12. They are placed on the top of the keyboard. These keys are used for special functions. Delete key. We use the delete key to delete characters one by one to the right side of the cursor. For example, wrong spelling, computer. To correct the spelling, take the cursor to the left of the mistake and press the delete key. Corrected spelling by using delete key, computer. Backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase characters one by one to the left of the cursor. For example, wrong spelling. To correct the spelling, take the cursor to the right of the mistake and press the backspace key. Corrected spelling by using backspace key. Computer. Did you know both backspace and delete key should be used very carefully? If you select items on the screen and press the backspace or delete key, you will lose the selected items. Enter key. This key is also called the return key on some keyboards. This is the most important key on the keyboard. We can use it to move at the beginning of the next line while typing. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. The enter key is also used to pass our instructions to the computer. Symbol keys. These are keys with special symbols printed on them. These are used to type different symbols. Caps Lock key. This key is used to type in capital letters. This key is present on the left side of alphabet keys. We press the caps lock letters. Did you know a small green light appears on the keyboard when the caps lock is on? Shift key. Shift key is a special key that helps us to type character printed in the upper half of some keys. Remember, the number keys have some symbols on their upper part like asterisk, percentage, plus, hash, etc. To type these symbols, we use the Shift key. The steps are given below. Step 1. Hold down on the Shift key with one of your fingers. Step 2. Press required number key. The symbol printed on the upper part will appear on the screen. For example, keeping the Shift key pressed, if you press the number key 5, the percentage symbol on the upper part of the number key 5 will appear. There are 2 Shift keys on the keyboard. Apart from number keys, there are few more keys that have 2 characters on them. You can use the Shift key to type characters marked on the upper part of these keys also. You can also use the Shift keys to type in capital letters when the caps lock is off. Cursor control keys. Cursor control keys are used for moving the cursor in different directions on the monitor. They are also called arrow keys. With the help of these keys, we can take the cursor up, down, right and left. The up arrow key moves the cursor up by one line. The right arrow key moves the cursor to the right by one letter. The left arrow key moves the cursor to the left by one letter. The down arrow key moves the cursor down by one line.